This video is going to show you how to tighten the Sustainable Solutions models 326202 or 326201 soft close seats. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for this maintenance. You'll also need either a flat-headed screwdriver or another tool with a flat edge. Over time, all toilet seats can become loose, making them uncomfortable and in some cases unsafe. Fortunately, it's really easy to maintain these seats to keep them looking and feeling like new. If you look at the very back of the seat, there are two hinge covers. You'll need to pop them off to expose the installation hardware. We find that using a flat-headed screwdriver makes this task really easy. Adjust the seat so that it aligns properly with the bowl. Make sure to pay attention to both the sides and the very tip of the seat. You want the seat to be completely centered on the bowl. Now, using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the bolts at the back of the seat. Once those bolts are nice and tight, simply snap the cover shut again, and your seat is back in place looking and functioning as it was designed. For more information on this or any of our products, you can contact us at 1-800-460-7019 or by email at help@sustainablesolutions.com.